Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to preview latest footage on DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's begin! In order to preview latest footage, all you want to do is simply swipe from left to right like this.
Wait a second, it's just swiped right?
Yeah.
Nice! This way you can clearly see the latest videos you've made.
I know.
Pretty cool. Also, as a fun fact, you can swipe up in order to see more videos or images you've made.
Really?
Yeah, but you wouldn't do that. Wait, no.
What a beautiful landscape. But yeah, as you can see, I can clearly see all my previous images, and also we can click the little button in the top left corner in order to see all of them. And in here we can, for example, mark something as a favorite by clicking the little check mark, clicking the video we want, and then 3 dots in the top right corner. Or we can delete it once and for all. Lovely. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you want to see more, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!